Oh, jeez.
Or don't get it on her thing.
I'll tell Lindsay to quit bouncing her.
She bounces herself.
Hit him again, baby. After spreading half a tube of what I thought was burn ointment on my bed.
Hold on, don't.
I can't help it. She does
It
it.
smells like body soap.
How can I help you?
Remember how I thought Mr. Peterson's back pain was sacroiliac and you said it wasn't? But I was right.
She's looking like, okay, where is it?
Never use scalding hot coffee if it's a beginner.
Oh, yeah, she's
Yeah.
happy now.
That's good, huh?
Now that her mentor Molly is
You like?
she wants to prove it wasn't a fluke.
She's going to give her a sugar rush.
I'm done. Say, I'm done.
Of course, around here, everyone's looking to prove themselves.
Got a little bit on here.
Uh-oh.
Jeez. She's good.
Oh, my God. Did you see her jump? Scared her crap out of her.
Yeah.
She still looks scared.
Huh?